Welcome to Mariola's Artisan Kitchen. This week we are making shepherd's pie in honor of St. Patrick's Day. Enjoy! This video is brought to you by artisankitchen.online. Check it out, subscribe, and enjoy the benefits of a member. Practical kitchen tips, printable checklists, recipes, monthly Q&A, and online classes. Subscribe and join us. After I have made my shepherd's pie, I was wondering, is shepherd's pie really Irish? So I looked it up, and here it is. Shepherd's pie, common and inexpensive British dish, originated from the sheep country in Scotland and northern England. I am making shepherd's pie, one of my favorite recipes anyway. The list of the ingredients include the lamb ground meat, but it could be substituted for a vegetarian version with mushrooms and lentils. Of course, salt, pepper, carrot, celery, onion, potatoes, milk, butter, broth, tomato paste, Worcestershire sauce, parsley for garnish, and some frozen peas. Peel and dice olive potatoes, then boil them in salted water until fork tender. When they're done, strain them, mash them well, add milk and butter. Sauté your diced onions until brown edges and translucent. You might also preheat your oven to 200 degrees Fahrenheit. Brown your lamb meat or your vegetarian mix and add the caramelized onions. Prepare your vegetables now by washing, peeling, and dicing them into small cubes. If you caramelize all of your vegetables in a separate pan, it will add additional flavor to your dish. Mix everything together, turn off your flame, and then add the frozen peas. Put your pie filling mix in a baking dish and spread it evenly. Layer your mashed potatoes mix on the top of the meat mixture. Make a little indentations that will form a little bit of a crust in the oven. If you choose, you can put some butter or olive oil on the top to encourage the browning. Bake your pie uncovered for 30 to 35 minutes in a 400 degrees oven until you see browned edges. Take it out and let it cool. When serving, garnish with fresh parsley and enjoy, and I can assure you people will want seconds. I hope you enjoyed today's recipe on how to make shepherd's pie. If you would like a printable, downloadable recipe, go to my website, artisankitchen.online, and get it at no cost to you. And I'll see you next week.